Today I'm going to do the review of the Kobalt 10-inch pole saw kit. Battery powered, 40 volt. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here is, that is the main part. There's an extension part. And that must be, well, that's got to be where the bar and the chain will go. And here's the battery. And I did notice on the battery, the charger has these hooks on it where you can hang it on the wall. I think that'll be nice. I may do that. But I did notice when you put the battery in, you have to just give it a little push like that for it to charge. So make sure you do that. All right, let's put this thing together. All right, so this has lock and unlock, plus and minus. So this is probably the tension for the chain. So let's take this part off. And here is that mechanism, which I bet, yeah, this right here turns this to loosen or tighten the tension on the bar. It doesn't look too hard to put together. Okay, if we look at the orientation of the chain, and we can line this up, and then it shows the rotation of the chain. So this rides in the groove. This is our cutter. So let's put the chain on. I would guess if there's a critical part to putting this together, I would say it would probably be that. Because you don't want to get the chain put on backwards. It's not going to cut very well. Okay, we'll put the chain around here. Okay, we're going to get the chain in the groove. And I'm just going to put a little bit of tension just to hold it on there while I put this back in. Okay, I need to loosen this up. To bring this back so it can fit into the pin. Okay, and then tighten that down. And now I can, let's see, we'll tighten it this way. Okay, I think that's about what I want for that. All right, now put the rest of it together. On one end, you have this style connector, the female. Even though these are male sticking out, the female pins are on the inside. And the other end, they're buried down in there, but it looks like you have notches, so you can't put it in incorrectly. Okay, this has an arrow on it, and it has this style connector, and the other end has 3 pins down there. So let's put these together. And also you can just line up the arrows and then twist it together. Let's go get the other one. All right, on the opposite side, here's our oil tank. We're going to go ahead and fill that up with some oil. I'm not going to fill it all the way up. I don't know how much I'm going to use of it today. Get that where it stays down in there. All right, I'm going to put the battery in. Put the letter side up. It has this locking tab. There it clicked. And then to take the battery out, just push the button. Okay, let's go try it. I don't need it as long as it is, so I'm going to shorten it. Pull that apart. And if you don't need it that long, I just took that center section out. Let's see. There's a little button right here, a little safety button. You can't push it in unless you have that pushed. Yeah, this will work very nicely. Now just those couple cuts, you can see how loose the chain is. So I'm going to try to tighten this thing up a little bit. And you can see, loosen this up a little bit. Turn it to the plus to tighten. Okay. A little bit of slack in it. And then tighten this back down.